This is a Yale lock. It's iron. Just an awful lot of my Yale locks are brass. But this one happens to be iron. I think it's a later addition. The keyhole is also waved. You can see the other keyholes. Just let a key in, but it doesn't have the corrugated opening that this does. So with all my different picks, most of them don't work. Like these, none of these will fit in a hole because of the corrugated hole. None of those fit in. And then my other Yale locks usually can open with this. There's a warded lock. There's a warded lock pick. This is another warded lock pick. This opens a lot of my Yale locks. It's a master key that's been cut down, made into a pick. So I was running out of picks to look at. Finally I found me one here that's corrugated like the key. You can see the grooves in that. That allows it to go in the hole, the keyhole. So none of the other picks would go in the keyhole. It's a very strong spring. This hadn't been used in 50 years, has no key to it. I'll have to go through my tryout keys and see if I can line up a key to it. But it works just really good. I have to make me a key for it now, or hopefully find one. It vastly increases the value of the lock if you can have a couple of keys to it. Peace. Don't break the lock.